Let's make bubble tea today. This should be quick. So all we need here is tapioca balls, of course. You can find this in any Asian grocery stores. And we need some tea. Red tea, white tea, green tea, oolong tea, whichever you like. And we need brown sugars. And actually any kind of sugar works. And we need milk. First thing first, let's boil some water and cook tapioca balls. This may take some time, so be patient. Stir a little bit once in a while, just in case it's thick in the bottom. While tapioca is cooking, let's make tea. This is green tea here. Just to keep in mind, you want to make tea thicker a little bit because you will mix with the milk or ice. You want to add a tons of sugar to make it sweeter. Just wait for it to cool down a little bit, then you can store it in the fridge. Tapioca pearls. It actually took me a while. I boiled it for like 30 minutes and turn the heat off and leave it there for like half an hour and turn the heat back on for another 20 minutes and wait for another 30 minutes. If you like soft and tender texture and this is done, you can start mix your bubble tea. But if you prefer more chewy, bouncy textures, you want to rinse in the cold water. Time to mix your bubble tea. Proportionally, doesn't really matter. You can have more bubbles, more tea, or more milk. It's up to you. Homemade bubble tea. Enjoy!